Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply get cashbacks with Revolut? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and get cashback with Revolut, primarily, you can do it through specific paid plans like Metal, Premium, or Ultra, or the Revolut Pro account, earning percentage on the card spending and automatically deposited monthlies, with high tiers and Pro accounts offering better rates and boosts for business activity. Though general plans have earning points, so Rev points, or via limited time promotions and shops for extra deals. Simply go ahead and open your Revolut application. Look for specific offers like shops in the app for cashback from certain retailers or limited time deals. Round up transactions to the nearest pound or euro, and the difference goes towards buying Rev points, which can be redeemed. Get Rev points automatically per transaction, so €1 for every 2 to 4 euro spent depending on tier, and earn extra Rev points by using Revolut Pay, completing goals or referrals. I hope this video made everything clear to you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.